you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Prashaya. So today I'm going to be making my first wig ever. So yes, I have the 22-inch up in the building, 24-inch up in the building, and I have the 20-inch up in the building. And as y'all can see, the hair is very full, and your girl really like that because my wig turned out to be very full and thick, and that's one thing I loved about the hair. And also, I went ahead and pinned down the frontal. No, it is not sewed down yet, but I went ahead and pinned it down off camera, and my frontal is 18-inch. But anyways, with further ado, let's get into the sewing process. So, as y'all can see, I started sewing down the frontal. And for beginners, I would put mousse on the hair before I start sewing because the hair was getting in my way. But the sewing part took a while for me. So I finished the sewing part off camera because I didn't want to record for that long. So I finished that off camera. So stay tuned because the next scene will be me hot gluing the tracks down. And when you're gluing the track down, make sure your finger does not touch the glue because the glue is very hot. The glue is hot and it will burn you. I hope you guys really understood the 4 steps, and I'm going to be speeding up the process now that I shared that with you guys. So please subscribe, like, comment, and hit the bell to be notified when a new video is being posted. And I really love my supporters. Thank you guys for showing so much love. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video because I'll be no longer talking in the rest of the video. Love you guys. Bye.